Here's how to make grated Parmesan cheese at home the right way and better than the grocery store. Let me show you. So I said the right way, but all I really mean by that is, are you grating it in the way that most recipes intended? And that is really grinding it in a processor, which is the way we get it in grocery stores, but by doing it at home, number one, you can pick a quality cheese like the real deal, Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano, and you can control like the coarseness or the fineness of it. The problem with some of the other popular grating options out there, like a wand style or rasp style grater, is if you grate your cheese and your recipe goes by volume versus a weight, say a tablespoon, you're not going to get the same tablespoon because this is much lighter and fluffier. And of course, if it actually specifies like a box style grater with different holes, then go with that. Good recipes will say that. Otherwise, if it says grated Parmesan cheese, what they really mean is ground. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay, with a trusty knife, just cube up your slice of cheese so it works well in your processor. So that's probably like a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch dice. When you get to the rind end, you can kind of see the division there. So you want to try and get as close as possible and absolutely save that rind for beans or a soup or a sauce. I have a stash of these in the freezer right now. Give that another little kind of slice through. Don't overcrowd it. You might need to do this in batches, but this isn't very much. I'm going to do it all at once. Quality control, so good. This takes about a minute for me. It's looking good. I'll show you the texture here. This is sort of my favorite. It's a little crumbly, not quite powdery, still a little bit pebbly, but pretty small. Hi, friends. Grated Parm, the right way for recipes and quality controlled by you. Hope you try it. At least nothing. Hard Italian cheeses. I hear the cat.